May peace and mercy upon you all. In the previous classes, we have seen how we can classify the amino acids by using that tricky formula. And today we'll see one more tricky formula, how we can remember the amino acids when we classify them on the basis of polarity. So these amino acids we can classify on the basis of polarity into four major groups. One we can say non-polar amino acids. Second we say polar with a no charge on R group. Third we say polar with positive charge on R group. And fourth we say that polar with negative charge on R group. So these all the four groups. I have designed here a tricky formulas to remember these 20 amino acids which are classified into three broad categories. So let us see one by one them. So here for non-polar amino acids, the formula designed that is malt PVIP. So what this formula stands, malt PVIP. When we expand this malt, M stands for methionine, A stands for alanine, L stands for leucine, T stands for tryptophan, P stands for phenylalanine, and V stands for valine, I stands for isoleucine, P stands for proline. So these are these 8 amino acids. They fall in the category of this non-polar amino acids. So by remembering a formula, malt PVIP, a simple formula. Second formula, that for the polar with a no charge on R group, the formula I have designed it as GST CAT-G, a simple formula. So if you expand this formula, GST CAT-G, so this GST CAT-G, it stands for, G stands for glycine, S stands for serine, T stands for threonine, C stands for cysteine, A stands for asparagine, T stands for tyrosine, and G stands for glutamine. So these are 7 amino acids. They fall in the category of polar with no charge on R group. Then we go for third category, that is polar with positive charge on R group. So here the formula, that is LAH. If you expand this formula, L stands for lysine, A stands for arginine, and H stands for histidine. So overall 3 amino acids. So in this category, 3 amino acids, they fall on this category. Then we look for the fourth category, that is an polar with negative charge on R group. So the formula is an AG. A stands for aspartic acid and G stands for glutamic acid. So here this category, in this category, 2 amino acids. So if you calculate all those amino acids, the total number is coming 20. So we can say non-polar 8 amino acids, polar with no charge 7 amino acids, 8 plus 7 15 amino acids. Then polar with positive charge 3 amino acids, 15 plus 3 is 18 amino acids, and then polar with negative charge 2 amino acids. So 18 plus 2, 20 amino acids. So our all the calculation, if you calculate, the total number of the amino acid is 20. So this formula, which is the easiest formula to remember these 20 amino acids, it is very useful for your preparative when you are preparing for any examination. So if you remember these formulas, so you can easily answer if this question is arised or asked in such categories. Thank you.